Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. This is a very short video, wanted to show you the post review of these two canvases that I completed from Make Market. This kit contained two sets of designs. Both of them are pre-framed. They come with 43 colors, and a few days ago I already made a very detailed post review of this very design. And right after I finished it, I began to work on this one, and it was really very easy and super fast to diamond paint. Even this one took me like 2 or 3 days. I finished this one in 1 day because, as you can see, like 60% of the canvas, 60% of the design is diamond painted with the same color. This is the background, and it used less colors than, for example, this very design. And I didn't really customize this very image because I didn't see what exactly I could enhance it with. The only thing that I did, I added a few white ABs. I'm pretty sure you can see it, and that's it. Other than that, I used the original drills. As to this one, I did customize it a lot, especially in the window. I replaced every single color in the window with crystals, opals, AB drills, etc. And I also replaced yellow color with yellow AB on the book. Other than that, again, I stick to the original drills. So I purchased it at Michael's. The brand is Make Market. It is sold exclusively in at Michael's. You can also purchase it online on Michael's website. I'm not sure if this set is still, if this kit is still available. I saw it a few days ago on Michael's website, but somebody mentioned in the comments that it was no longer available. I'm not sure if it is out of stock or not, but you can purchase it both online and in the store. I am really very impressed with the detalization of the kits because they are very small. I may be wrong, of course, because I threw away the box it came in and the size was mentioned on the box, but I think it is 10 by 18 inches. I think so, but it is very small, and for such a small kit, the detalization is amazing. Unfortunately, the camera doesn't really show the beauty of this very kit. I'm not sure, but the colors inside the window kind of look pixelated on the screen, but in reality, in real life, it looks amazing. Of course, this very kit used acrylic drills, and the glow is very, typical of acrylic drills, unlike the individual sparkle of resin drills. Like, for example, on these very designs, right, you can see the sparkle of each drill versus the overall glow of acrylic drills. But nevertheless, I'm really very content with how they turned out. Again, the detalization is amazing, the color blending is pretty good as well, and I'm planning on giving both of them to my daughter's two librarians at school. She loves spending time at the library, and I think that the designs themselves are perfect for the library. Whether they choose it to leave it in the library, in the school library, or take it to their home, I will be very happy in any case for them to have them. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.